Kaffeetassen. Also die möchte doch bestimmt jeder haben. Einfach mal ein Stückchen näher kommen zu uns. Da haben wir schon mal einen freiwilligen HDTV, ja?
High Definition Television.
Ja.
Alle drei. Aha. Also Sport, Klingelton, Shopping, A, B und C. Mal sehen, ob das stimmt. Gratulation, super gut. Es wird hier als Astra-Quiz und beziehungsweise...
Okay,
So what we have here is the
you are transgear.
Excuse me?
You are transgear technology, huh?
Yes, trans technology, which is Transgear is the brand name of trans technology products from Japan, and what we're introducing here is high definition next generation of player.
Yeah.
As you can see, we're playing back high definition AVI. We can also play back Windows Media 9. 1020 and 720p.
1020, yeah. What is the name of this player?
This is the DVX 700. You might want to get a shot of that.
DVX 700.
Yes, the series. We have 4 models in the series. They're all basically the same. You can have the unit with no hard drive or no Wi-Fi, but you can always expand and add the hard drive capability if you need it.
Okay.
So that's why we have a series of products.
So, I mean, is that the basic one with the removable hard drive, or?
The basic model is can come without the hard drive.
Yeah.
But what we do is we can provide the trays separately, and you can put any standard hard drive, 3.5-inch hard drive in here, from 80 up to 250 gigabytes. You can do it yourself. You can expand your library as you want.
And how about that tower there? Is that something special?
This case?
Yeah.
This is a standard stardom case. It's just an enclosure which you can use if you want, or you
Stardom
can.
is just like another company?
Yeah, they're another company that make enclosures for these type of things. This is another one of their enclosures, and this is a 1-bay unit. It has a USB connect. So I can take my hard drive data, I can insert it in my PC.
Yeah.
I have a tray in that PC over there. I can copy my data onto here, or I can just connect this drive on the USB port and transfer the data.
Okay.
Once I have the data.
How about this tower there? It has two drives? Or
It can have 4.
It can have 4. And do you connect that on the network or on a USB?
Those are all USB connect.
Yeah.
So you have basically 4 drives coming out of there. This is somewhat in development because we have to have a way. We want to have a way of accessing the drives on screen, but right now this is just kind of a prototype.
But it's going to be USB.
Oh, it is USB now.
It is.
Yeah, I have 4 USB outputs on here,
4 different. But how do you connect 4 USBs on this one?
That's correct. Right now you have to plug in the individual wire. Like I said, we're trying to develop a
kind of a USB hub, or?
So we're working on that, but that's not really a released product per se.
But the USB hub doesn't work for now on this? You cannot have more than 1 hard drive at a time? Or?
Well, the USB on all the DVD players is an embedded USB.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean it's 1-to-1, 100% the same as a PC. So there can be some limitations with any embedded USB. Right now we support card readers, we support hard drive USBs, we support most of the devices that people would want to use.
Yeah.
So if I wanted to take my data, I could put the hard drive internal, which is what I'm running on now, an internal hard drive. Or if I wanted to run over the media server, I could read any hard drive on a PC.
Okay.
The point is that this is a 80 gigabyte hard drive, which I can buy for 50 euros.
Yeah.
It's cheap.
So you sell this one empty, without a hard drive?
Right. Let's come over here. I can show you a little bit better. Oops, excuse me. We're attached. So if you want to purchase the unit without a hard drive, this is what you would get.
Yeah. So this is what you get, and you can just pull this off and
this comes off. 3 months later, you decide you want a hard drive. You buy one of these racks.
Yeah, and that's cheap. This?
It'll be something like, I don't know, 20 euros or something.
Yeah.
You buy one of these racks. You go buy your own hard drive.
Yeah.
You do a FAT32 on it.
Yeah.
Format.
You have to format it yourself.
Well,
you can have this formatted.
Yeah, I mean, normally, if you want to buy the unit complete with the hard drive, we can offer that.
Yeah.
Okay, but hard drives are very volatile, and stocking them can be a problem. So we want to offer the flexibility. If you want to buy it with 120 or 80 gigabyte hard drive already formatted and everything, we can offer that.
Yeah, but do you have, if I buy the hard drive 250 gigabytes, for example, do I have to format it on my computer, or can this
No, you have to format it on your computer.
Ah, so there's no way that this could somehow format it?
Not right now, no.
No? Okay. And can I ask you about the H.264? Is there some plan to support that?
Let's come back to that, because I just want to finish here. So the base unit can be with or without hard drive. You can add this in later if you want. It's no problem. All the units have front USB. The other option, you can order the unit with Wi-Fi, without Wi-Fi, or with Wi-Fi. So we have integrated Wi-Fi here. If I can find the antenna. That's the only thing you can't upgrade. If you buy it without Wi-Fi, you can't upgrade it later. So you have to decide
if you want Wi-Fi or not.
Yeah, right. You might want to take a shot. You might want to take a shot of the back connectors. It's pretty important.
Yeah.
Let me get you a better unit here to look at. Yeah, let's go over this unit here. It's easier to see the back end. No, this way. Watch your. You can get an idea of the back shot here. Yeah, let me see if I can slide it a little bit. Not. So you can see we have the DVI output, we have the optical outputs, we have the YUV outputs, we have the SCART connector, and basically the RJ45 internet connection, wireless antenna. We have a full power on-off switch, so you can turn it off 100% from the back if you want.
How about the DVI output? Does it support the commercial DVDs for our digital? Does it have the dhcp?
Yeah, it's DHCP.
It is.
Maybe back over here. You can. Did you take a picture of this panel? You might want to get a shot of this, because it pretty much describes the product. So you'll notice here general specifications, video outputs.
Okay, I'm going to put this in. Okay.
So here's your audio formats, here's your video formats, here's your outputs.
All those DVX 700 are not yet available, but will be soon.
Yeah, they're currently, we'll start manufacturing process within a couple weeks. So we support, this is very important. The Wi-Fi encryption is WPA and WEP.
And it's G, okay.
Because WEP is pretty much insecure.
But okay, so you're sure about the dhcp support? So the output can be from a commercial DVD in digital format, the DVI plug that you have.
Yeah, let me just look at the spec here. We have HDCP output.
Ah, okay.
That's the German one. I have an English. Does that answer your question? HDCP
one, yeah.
compatible?
Okay.
Hey, we didn't put that on the panel. I don't know why.
So DivX HD 1080p, 1080p, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. And with every one, we include the Ultimate Server software, because even this unit will not play back every single format. Windows Media 8, for example, even though your Sigma chip won't play back Windows Media 8.
Yeah.
So if you have some home movies you want to see, then you can use the Ultimate Server to play them back.
And that server software, is that available yet?
Oh, this? Yeah,
it's already available for the old machine?
Well, it's not old machine.
I mean,
the current machine.
The current.
Yeah, it's a free download when you register the product.
So people know about it already. It's a real-time transcode.
I can show you 15 German magazine reviews we've had, including CT Magazine and Chip on the product.
Yeah. How about that software?
Well, that software, that system. I mean, it's the player, your amplifier, or we have optional speakers as well. Basically, it's fully DLNA compliant, which is very important to the home users because as soon as you plug this unit in, all the servers will pop up and recognize it, and you don't have to play around with mapping and all kinds of things like that. So it's very user-friendly for a home environment.
Can you use that in some? Is that has something to do with the DVD player or not really?
No, it's a completely different product.
It's a different thing. It's about music from the internet.
Yeah, it's only music from internet.
Okay. All right.